मजे की बात देखिए, एक आया दूसरा नहीं आता।
ये नजाकत
भाई रिपोर्टर करिए भाई।
We were given a very full and comprehensive briefing by the law enforcement agencies today, which was very heartening. The briefing was very, very thorough, and the meeting we had with the Chief Minister was also showed a lot of support for cricket coming back into Karachi.